I remember one year, at the beginning of the year, we made stickers. And a lady in the church, a young sister, she didn't have a car. She was working, she was believing God for a car. So while buying a sticker, she bought one for her door and she bought another one. And they asked her, maybe her close people, the people close to her, this sticker, said, I bought it for my car. You don't have a car? Minister says, I remember the story very well in Abuja church. You don't have a car? Say, it's coming. Yeah. Look at your neighbor and say, it's coming. Look at another neighbor and say to them, it's coming. Do you know what? That car came. I dedicated the car. Preparation provoked the manifestation. I remember another lady, a friend. She had a car, but she had a dream car. And she said she didn't have money for the car, but she wanted the car. She wanted it. Of course. You know what she did? She went online, got a picture of the car, printed it, and put it in her room where she could see it every day. And I can imagine every day she would go and look, my car is coming. My car is coming. Hallelujah. Eventually, the car came. This is not perspire to aspire. This is preparing yourself based on the promises of God. Elijah said, servant, what do you see? He said, I see the finger. Stop there. Go and tell Ahab, begin to move now. I have not seen the rain, but I have seen the hand. And with the hand, I don't need to wait for the rain. If you don't leave here now, the rain will catch up with you. Did it catch up or not? Say, blessed are those that believe before they see. Generally, the things of God, we see them first in our spirit before we receive them in our hands. What can you see in your spirit? What can you see in your life? Say with me, I will prepare. When you are preparing, your speech will show it. When you are preparing, your actions will show it. When you are preparing, your testimonies will show it. When you are preparing, your associations will show it. Come on, prepare.